one now. Did you notice any blue streaks of light in the sky last night? If you did, you aren't the only one. Thousands actually saw it, and this is the reason. NASA launched a rocket out of Cape Canaveral last night. That rocket is carrying a communication satellite for the U.S. military and its partners. But Australia actually paid for the spacecraft and the launch.
What's that, bro?
You can't see the light around it. It's dimming too.
Dude, look. But you see how fucking there's a light in the front and there's a...
What the fuck is that, dude?
Dude, this is total UFO action right now, bro.
Holy shit, you can't even see it though. What the fuck?
Bro, I'm fucking tripping out right now, bro.
Oh my god, dude.
I've waited literally my entire life for something like this.
Dude, seriously, I'm calling Helen. Oh, it's disappearing. And what are the two behind it, bro?
That's what I'm saying. They've been going. They're going at a very steady pace together.
You can't see it. Dude, baby, you gotta go outside right now and look over the beach. Is that east from us? Yeah, look over the beach, baby. Me and Anthony are seeing a UFO, we swear to God. Yeah. There's, oh my God. Dude, baby, you gotta hurry. There's a light by itself moving and then two small, I'll explain it later, just go outside and look at it. Yeah, there's 3 moving lights. There's 2 together, and then up to the right, a little bit ahead, is one by itself. They're high if you're on the beach. You see those? Dude, baby, listen.